We're in Kamakura.
Countryside.
I think.
No, it is countryside.
The weather is nice today. It's sunny. We're going to the street first. Omachi Street? You guys. McDonald's. We're at McDonald's right now because we're gonna eat first. Kasi nagutom tong isa. But we're gonna roam around later in Komachi Street. You tried this, right?
Yeah.
How's it?
Ang toyo.
It's like the strawberry churro. And then this is the burger. Anong burger to? Right, they can't understand this. Oh, never mind. Teritama muffin. And I just got the regular chicken McMuffin with milk. He doesn't like this one. How do you rate this? 2? 3? Do you rate that one? Rate it? 10 out of 10? Nice. Okay, we're gonna eat first and then I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Saan tayo? Saan tayo pupunta? Walk where?
That's called Surugaoka Hachimanga. I don't know if I said that right, but di pa kasi open yung mga street shop eh. So we're gonna leave it here first.
There's fish. Up to you, bro. Wait. Outfit check. Ah. Lamig sa mukha.
Oh my god, ang laki!
Dora the Explorer.
Ang laki!
First time mo makakita.
No, pero sobrang laki nila, B. I didn't expect it to be that big. Sorry, I don't have any food.
They're expecting some foods. Food without the yes. Please do not enter with pets. Shh, come here. Ano to? The beauty and ugliness of the world are frequent to wait. The way you feel is the root of nature and emotion.
I don't understand.
I don't understand. Too.
Guys, we got fortunes, but we don't understand.
No, I don't understand this. We're here.
Daming mga students na blend in na. Late nila. Hangin, guys. Ang ganda. Daming foreigner. We're gonna climb there. Look at the temple. So pretty. isa nagiging Rudolph na naman. Ang lakas kasi ng hangin, lamig. Yung hangin lang yung nagpapalamig dito. Pakita mo yung stairs na inaakyatan natin.
That's the stairs.
Pinilit lang ako ni JR lumabas.
Bakit?
Umakyat. Ayoko talaga umakyat. Pagod ako kasi. Daming tourist na daming tao. We're here on top already.
A lot of tourists.
Daming nag-filter guys.
Ayun na yung sundo namin.
Tara! Dami ding tourists. Okay guys, we're gonna try this. I got custard.
Give it a bite. Warm.
I love it.
Try.
We're in the street of Komachi. We're back here.
Hmm.
Because they're all like mostly open now. We're just gonna shop around.
Ang daming sauce?
It's good. Baby, oh.
Ayan.
Pang washroom nga. Like instead of using the hand dryer, they mostly use the handkerchief here.
Well, I don't do that.
I don't do that.
I use my clothes. Oh, ang daling mo siya.
So pretty.
Daling mo siya.
Let's try it here.
Try it.
Holding this. Another food trip. That's good. 10 out of 10.
Sarap. Nagtitinginan ang mga tao.
Good try it.
Ano ba?
It's good. Look at how cute, guys.
Key holders.
Getting curly. Which one? Bojo?
Hmm.
Pero wala akong character na.
Ito, bigay ko kay EJ.
Bigyan mo kay AJ.
Hmm.
Ang cute niya. Look at how cute this shop is. Mga sticker. Mga anime and other characters. Sa capybara. Ano to? Ito pang tap agad ng card oh. Pag sa trend.
No.
Ang cute naman. One Piece. Meron si Zoro. Bilhin ko to si Zoro. Ano ba to?
Name tag na.
Si Zoro.
Hinata.
Si Hinata. We're gonna try this one. The ham cream. Minute. Sarap.
Sarap gar. Shot agad.
How's it?
It's not bad.
We're at the dog shop. That's a dog shop. Hindi pala dog shop. Dog cafe.
Dog cafe.
Pero hindi naman sila lumalapit. Need to wait for them to come to you. Do the color. Look, they're so cute. And one is sleeping over there. How cute.
Nagulat.
Sana all.
Uwi ko na to. Getting cozy. You like me? You wanna go home with me? So cute. Where's my phone? Give me a picture.
Wala
Si Bella.
Wala pong lumalapit sa akin. Sa kanya lang. Kikidnapin niya daw to. Ano pangalan niya?
Nakalimutan ko.
Dalhin mo, para may kalaro si Bella. Tapos lalaki pala na. Mag-anuan sila. Nikit sa likod o. Puti. So cute.
Umiiwas siya.
so peaceful. I love it.
It's late already. Bum, bum, bum. Hindi ata pwedeng maglaki dito eh.
Yan, but like, at your own risk. Go here.
Yun lang. Tubig diretso sa dagat.
Picture time. Dito.
Moana Makai.
Ganda siguro dito pag summer, tapos dito ka nakatira.
Mhm.
Parang LA vibes talaga. Hey guys, we're in the iconic slam dunk scene in the beach thingy. Tapos ang daming tao. Naghihintay sa train dumaan para ma-film yung moment na yun. Dito lang kami, naghihintay din. And then after this, we're going to Shibuya. Shibuya, Shibuya. Bye.
君が好きだと叫びたい明日を変えてみよう
頭先，你覺得窄係咪？我覺得買大少少好啦，係嘛？你試過冇？你有多倫多試過冇呢個？個試黑色嗰對真係冇用啲。
I was gonna buy one, but they don't have
買
this
大
size
款
here.
應該係唔會錯㗎啦。我覺得。
You're not buying for EJ?
我嘅生活講啦。
Hi guys, just got back from day 2. We were in Shibuya Crossing and it was hectic, so I couldn't really film there because it's so busy. Like, and then we're just eating dinner from the convenience store. Ang dami-daming kalat dito sa room. They are pagod na. Hindi na nagsasalita. See you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do